Today start new lecture, elimination reaction or dehydrohalogenation reaction. Dehydrohalogenation reaction. Look here, simple. Look here, everybody R, C, H, C, H, here X, next is the EH. Look here, reaction with alcoholic KOH. KOH, correct? Halogen containing carbon. Halogen containing carbon alpha. And next carbon is a beta. Halogen containing carbon is a alpha. Next is the beta carbon atom. D means removal. D means removal. Hydrogen. Look here, position of hydrogen atom, beta carbon atom. Halogen, alpha carbon atom. Look here, removal of a hydrogen atom of beta carbon atom and halogen atom of alpha carbon atom to form corresponding alkene. This reaction is called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. They are also called as an elimination reaction or 1,2. Okay, 1,2 elimination reaction. 1,2 elimination reaction. Look here, remove of HX. Everybody, remove of the HX. Product here, simple. R, CH. Okay, double bond. CH2 and plus K, X. OH and H, H2O. This reaction is alpha beta elimination reaction or 1,2 elimination reaction or dehydrohalogenation reaction. Dehydrohalogenation reaction. Look here, what is my dehydrohalogenation reaction? The removal of a hydrogen atom of beta carbon atom and a halogen atom of alpha carbon atom. What is this? This is the adjacent carbon atom or neighboring carbon atom of alkyl halide to form corresponding alkene. What is the name of this compound here? What is the name of this compound? Alkene. Here this reaction is called as dehydrohalogenation reaction, alpha beta elimination reaction or 1,2 elimination reaction. This is general reaction. What is this compound? This is the alkyl halide. What is this? This is the alkyl halide. Phenalkyl halide. Everybody, look here. Phenalkyl halide is heated with, here alcoholic KOH. Look here, KOH solution prepared in alcohol. This is called as alcoholic KOH solution. A KOH solution prepared in water is called as an aqueous KOH solution. It's called as aqueous KOH solution. Look here, phenalkyl halide is heated with alcoholic KOH solution. It gives corresponding alkene. This reaction is dehydrohalogenation reaction. What is this? Dehydrohalogenation reaction. Okay? Yes. Look here, next questions here. Next questions. Look here, simple questions. What is the action of alcoholic KOH? What is the action of a alcoholic KOH on ethyl bromide? Alcoholic KOH on ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide simple structure form CH. Okay, H. Next C. Okay, Br. Next H and next EH. Name of the compound? Ethyl bromide. What is this? This is the ethyl bromide. Yes. Look here. Halogen atom containing alpha carbon atom. And next is a beta carbon atom. Remove the bromine from alpha carbon atom and remove the hydrogen atom of beta carbon atom. Look here, reaction with, reaction with alcoholic KOH. Reaction with alcoholic KOH. Okay, alcoholic KOH heating. Heating. Look here, product. Everybody, product here like this. H, C, H. Okay, yes. Remove the one hydrogen, remaining the how many hydrogen atom here? 1 and 2. 1 and 2, double bond. Okay, remove the bromine atom, remaining hydrogen 1 and 2. H, H. Name of the compound here, ethylene. IUPAC, ethene. Okay, IUPAC, ethene. Okay, common ethylene plus KBr plus H2O. Look here, simple questions here. How will you convert ethyl bromide into ethene or ethylene? Phenethyl bromide is convert. Okay, phenethyl. How will you convert ethyl bromide into ethene? Simple. IUPAC name of this compound bromoethane. IUPAC name of this compound bromoethane. You know, phenethyl bromide is heated with alcoholic KOH. Okay, what is this alpha beta elimination reactions? It gives ethene. It gives ethene. Repeat, phenethyl bromide is heated with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH, it gives ethene or ethylene. Ethene or ethylene. Okay, but this example, example is primary alkyl halide. You know, second example of primary alkyl halide. Second example of primary alkyl halide. Look here, N-propyl chloride. N-propyl chloride. CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. N-propyl chloride here. Name of the compound. N. You know, propyl. Look here, N-propyl chloride. Look here, N-propyl chloride is heated with alcoholic KOH. N-propyl chloride is heated with alcoholic KOH. Remove the chlorine atom, alpha carbon atom, and remove the hydrogen atom of a beta carbon atom. Beta carbon. You know, product here CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Look here, name of the compound here, propene, common name propylene. Propene. You know, plus KCl and plus water. Simple question. What is the action of alcoholic KOH on N-propyl chloride? Answer, N-propyl chloride is heated with alcoholic KOH. It gives propene or propylene. Okay. This is the simple reaction, simple answer. Basic concept of this reaction, remove the halogen atom, a alpha carbon atom, and remove the hydrogen atom from beta carbon atom. This is the basic idea of elimination reaction. Look here, second example, everybody, second example, you know, a secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide. You know, secondary alkyl halide here, CH3, CH, CH3, Cl. Correct? Yes. Look here, name of the compound isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. Name of the compound isopropyl chloride. Look here, halogen containing carbon. Halogen containing carbon alpha. Halogen containing carbon alpha. How many beta carbon atom? How many beta carbon atoms here? 2. Okay, this is the beta carbon atom, another beta carbon atom. Remove the halogen atom of alpha carbon atom and remove the hydrogen atom of beta carbon atom. But here 2 beta carbon atom, both the beta carbon atom are same. Remove the hydrogen atom. Okay, the compound is symmetrical. Remove the hydrogen atom of any beta carbon atom. Why? Is symmetrical compound. A symmetrical compound means 2 form here. CH3, yes. CH, yes. CH2, yes. Remove the H means CH2. Name of the compound propene. Answer same. Answer same. When isopropyl chloride is heated with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. It gives propene. It gives propene. Simple. Isopropyl. How will you convert isopropyl chloride into propene? Into propene. Answer, everybody. Here, when isopropyl chloride is heated with alcoholic KOH, it gives propene. It gives propene. Okay? Yes. Look here. Next questions here. Next questions. What is the action of alcoholic KOH on secondary butyl bromide or chloride here? Simple. CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, CH3. Name of the compound, secondary butyl chloride. Secondary butyl chloride. Look here, IUPAC name of this compound, 2-chloropropane. Everybody here, 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane, yes. Look here, secondary butyl chloride is heated with alcoholic KOH. Remove the hydrogen and halogen. Everybody, simple rule here. Chlorine atom from alpha. How many beta here? Like this, beta. Okay, another beta. Both beta same or different? Both beta same or different? Both beta carbon atom are different. Look here, remove the hydrogen atom. Okay, that beta carbon atom. Okay, that beta carbon atom according to, name of the rule here, according to, okay, here, Set-Zepf's rule. According to Set-Zepf's rule. Correct? Yes. Look here, according to Set-Zepf's rule here, everybody, the elimination is prepared formation of more highly stabilized alkene. Everybody, here, a more stabilized alkene during the elimination reaction. During the elimination reaction, or look here, a more stable product or major product is formed from, remove that beta carbon atom is containing the less number of hydrogen atom or more substituted carbon atom. Look here, first carbon, how many hydrogen atom? 3. Second beta carbon, how many? 2. Remove the hydrogen atom, that beta carbon atom is containing the less number of hydrogen atom or more substituted alkyl group, which is more preferred, according to Set-Zepf's rule. Look here, a two type of product is formed. One is the major product formed, another is a minor product is formed. Look here, a first CH3, CH, double bond CH3. Name of the compound, but. Everybody, but. 2-ene means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 but 2-ene plus. Plus next. Look here, another beta. A first carbon atom. Remove the hydrogen atom. CH2 double bond CH2 CH3. Name of the compound, but-1-ene. But-1-ene. Okay. Look here, which is the major? Everybody, major and minor. What is this? This is the major. What is this? Major product, and this is a minor product. Okay, this is a minor product. More highly stabilized alkene. More stable, stabilized alkene during an elimination reaction. According to Set-Zepf's rule, remove the hydrogen atom of that beta carbon atom containing less number of hydrogen atom or a more substituted alkyl groups, more substituted carbon. Okay, look here, this is the Set-Zepf's rule to form the major product and the minor product. Major product and the minor product. Okay, no requirement of balance reaction. Correct? Yes. This is the major, this is the minor, this product formed by according to Set-Zepf's rule. Okay? Yes, next. Look here. A next compound, everybody, here a tertiary alkyl halide. A tertiary alkyl halide. What is the action of alcoholic KOH? What is the action of a alcoholic KOH on? You know, like this. On tertiary butyl bromide, CH3, CH3, CH3. Next, tertiary butyl iodide. Tertiary butyl iodide. Look here, halogen containing the carbon, everybody here. Okay, what is this? This is the alpha. How many beta? There are 3 beta. All the beta carbon atoms same or different? Same. Remove that beta carbon atom. Remove the hydrogen atom, that beta carbon atom, everybody, which containing, okay, less number of hydrogen atom or more substrate alkyl group. But here, this is a symmetrical compound. Remove the hydrogen atom of, okay, any beta carbon atom. Any beta carbon atom. You know compound like this. CH3, CH, like this. You know CH3. Correct? Okay. Double bond CH2. Name of the compound? Isobutylene. Name of the compound? Isobutylene. Isobutylene. Look here, IUPAC. Name of this compound here? A 2-methyl. Like this. 2-methyl. Okay? Propene. 2-methyl propene plus Ki. Plus Ki plus H2O. Correct? Plus H2. Look here, when tertiary butyl iodide is heated with alcoholic KOH. Is heated with alcoholic KOH. It gives isobutylene. Isobutylene, 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. Correct? Yes. Look here, everybody, elimination reaction is a primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and next is a tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. Okay? Yes. Look here, in this reaction, order of reactivity, everybody here, a order of reactivity of alkyl halide, here, a 3 degree, everybody greater than, a 2 degree, a greater than 1 degree. What is this? A tertiary alkyl halide is greater than, secondary alkyl halide is greater than, is greater than a primary alkyl halide. Order of, everybody easily remove the hydrogen atom, or tertiary, tertiary alkyl halide, you know, tertiary alkyl halide greater than, secondary alkyl halide greater than primary alkyl halide. Look here, another order here like this. R2C double bond. You know, here CR2 here. More substituted, greater than. You know here, greater than R2C double bond CHR. CHR. Okay. According to Sedgwick's rule. Second, everybody, here R2C double bond CH2. Okay. Greater than. You know, here greater than R. Okay. CH double bond CH. Okay. R. Look here. Here greater than. Next is a. Okay. R. CH double bond CH2. Look here, more substituted. Okay, more substituted, greater than. Okay, more. So next, less substituted. Next, less substituted. Next, less substituted. Next, less substituted. Simple here, 3 degree greater than, 2 degree greater than 1 degree. This reaction also called as elimination reaction or dehydrohalogenation reaction. Another order, everybody. Another order. Ri greater than, Rbr greater than, Rcl. This is the common order. This is the common order. Okay. Elimination reaction or dehydrohalogenation reaction. Okay. In unsymmetrical alkyl halide, remove the hydrogen atom. Okay. Remove the hydrogen atom here according to Sedgwick's rule. According to Sedgwick's rule. Reaction is elimination reaction or alpha beta elimination reaction or 1-2 elimination reaction. Okay, complete the reaction, elimination reaction, complete the reaction, elimination reaction. Okay, here dehydrohalogenation reaction. Thank you. Stop here.